question number 5. Satellite undergoes one circular orbit on the Earth every 24 hours. What is the angular velocity of the satellite? So, angular velocity is calculated by the formula omega is equal to 2 pi divided by t. Okay, so therefore what I do is I'll just write this as a 2 into 3.14 divided by time period. Time period is 24 hours. But you know the answer here is in per second. So what I need to do is I need to convert this into seconds. So I will write this as 2 into 3.14 divided by, for 1 day, 24 hours, the total number of seconds is 86,400, which you can compute yourself and get to know the answer. What I will do is I'll use my calculator here and then compute and show it to you. What is this value? 2 multiplied by 3.14 divided by 86,400. The answer as 7.268, which I can take it as 7.27. Now you see here there are two significant figures. Here also everywhere I get only two significant figures. Anyway, 7.3 I can take that 7.3 multiplied by, if you want to know whether it is correct with respect to the this one values powers, 10 power minus 5. You see here it's power minus 5. So therefore the correct answer is 7.3 to 10 power minus 5. So whenever you are doing any calculation, see to it that okay, you are actually doing the calculation and then giving the answer over here. Do not just do using your calculator. Okay, so the many times I've seen students who make lots of mistakes only because of so many students do get lesser number in paper 1. The only reason is because they don't use the worksheet. They don't use the sheet to work it out, but instead they just directly start solving it. That's where you make a lot of mistakes.